Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have a Jura E8 here. So this machine was having issues with the milk frother here. So I disassembled it completely and cleaned it with milk cleaner. So now it's frothing milk correctly, but I also gave the machine a full tune-up while it's here. I noticed there's some old coffee buildup. And starting to get a little moldy, so I opened up the machine, removed the brew unit, took it apart, cleaned it, lubricated it, put it back in. Then I descaled the machine, cleaned the coffee system and milk system. So I'm just going to make a cappuccino to show that the milk frother is working and that it can pull a nice shot of espresso. Looks like the cup is a little too small for that cappuccino, so while that's brewing I'll show you, got nice froth milk, and there we have that espresso. Okay, that's about it for this video, so if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.